In this tutorial, you will learn how to perform a manual print darkness adjustment. Your media must be loaded and the printer power on. Press pause for 2 seconds to enter advanced mode. All indicators will flash yellow. The status indicator will show solid yellow, indicating the currently selected mode is manual media calibration. Press feed twice until the data indicator is illuminated. The printer is now in manual darkness adjustment mode. Press pause once to start the adjustment. The printer will print a test pattern showing the current darkness number and several barcode patterns and then pause momentarily. The printer will then repeat the pattern with the next darkness level. When you see the printer print a pattern with solid even black lines, press feed to set the darkness level.